Welcome to Zoro Deliveries Private Limited. In this video, we'll address common questions you may have before joining us as a delivery partner. We offer a fixed salary, no targets. You will receive 4 leaves a month, which can be taken once per week or all 4 at once. A deduction of 650 rupees for the bag will be made from the first salary. After 6 months, if you stop working, 700 rupees will be deducted for a t-shirt and 650 rupees for a jacket. If you do not log in for 3 days at a stretch, your account will be blocked. Therefore, you are advised to inform the team leader before taking a leave.
What are the timings?
We operate from 8 am to 10 pm. You can choose to work for 8, 10, or 12 hours within these hours, with fixed timings that can be adjusted monthly. For 8 hours your salary will be 8,000 rupees, for 10 hours it will be 10,000 rupees and for 12 hours you will be paid 12,000 rupees.
What if I take more than 4 leaves a month?
Beyond 4 leaves, you will only get paid for the days you worked for. You will not receive the per order incentive. And if you are present for all 30 or 31 days in a month, you will earn an additional 2,000 rupees. If you work for less than 15 days, payment will be made per order basis and not a fixed salary. We also have an earned leave system. If you are fully present for 15 days every month, you can earn a leave which can be used in case of emergency.
Will we be paid overtime?
Yes, overtime payment is applicable. You'll receive 20 rupees per hour from Sunday to Thursday, and 35 rupees per hour on Fridays and Saturdays. If you work for even 1 or 2 minutes more, you will be paid for overtime per minute basis.
What is your payment system?
Weekly payments for overtime are processed by Wednesday. Monthly salaries are paid by the 9th of each month.
What are the incentives?
Incentives include a per order bonus, earned by meeting certain criteria. You will have to be present for 26 or 27 full days in a month. If you use up your earned leave, you won't be eligible for that month's incentive. You will have to complete all orders assigned by the team leader and deliver properly without the customer complaining. If you cancel even one order, you won't get incentive for any of the orders that day. There's another fixed incentive. If you complete 3 months, you will receive 2 rupees per order and 4 rupees per order if you complete 6 months. We also have seasonal incentives in case of extremely hot days or heavy rainy days. You will get these updates on WhatsApp.
How long can I take a break?
Break times vary based on shift length, 30 minutes for 8-hour shifts and 45 minutes for 10 to 12-hour shifts.
Do you have a referral bonus?
Yes, referring a rider who completes 2 months of duty earns you a 1,000 rupees bonus.
Is there an insurance arrangement?
We cover 50% of insurance costs. In case of an accident resulting in 7 days of bed rest during work, we'll cover 3 days worth of rest. This amount will be paid with your salary only after you rejoin.
What is the arrangement for cash on delivery orders?
Cash collected from cash on delivery orders must be submitted before logging out, either online, in office, or at our designated cash counters in Mudiali and Kankurgachi. For further inquiries, reach out to the HR or operations team.